here at the Mercury display, and they actually have a setup here where you can hear the difference between the competitor and the Mercury Verado. It's supposed to be 35% more quiet, wide open throttle, and I'm going to test it actually for the first time. So here we go. That's impressive. Not only is it quieter, but it's much smoother and kind of soothing. You know how loud outboards can get a bit annoying after a while? The Verado really shows a significant difference, and now we're going to see how other people react to this display.
Beautiful. All day.
It's too quiet. It's just too quiet.
Verado's a lot quieter.
Like half the noise, at least.
Oh, well, that's quieter.
There is too much difference.
Wow. Big difference.
They're very quiet. Everyone says they're quiet. You can't even hear them running.
I mean, like night and day difference. Much quieter. Really?
Music to your ears.
Oh.
Not even close.
Very cool.
Pretty cool, yeah.
Huge. But that's the way everybody's going too. They want quiet, but they want that power. You know what I mean?
Yeah, it's much quieter.
Which one do you prefer?
The Verado. If I had to choose.
So we want to thank you for watching this video. If you want to see our most recent video, click right here. And if you like what you're seeing, please do us a favor and subscribe right here. Thanks, guys.